Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram. And now let's dive right in. Now to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And on this interface guys, after opening your Telegram, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you will be on this interface. Now in order to proceed to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram, scroll down a little bit and you can find the data and storage option available for us just below the notifications and sounds. Now tap on that data and storage and you will land on this interface where it says the automatically media download over here guys. Now in order to proceed to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram, they will be either downloaded from mobile data or Wi-Fi or when roaming. So if you want to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram from all of these services, let's proceed with the when using mobile data. To do that, let's tap on when using mobile data and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the photos and videos option available for us. Now you can see that currently the toggle icon has been turned off, or I had turned it off previously. So in your case, if your device is automatically saving photos and videos from a Telegram, in order to stop it, tap on the Telegram at the right side of photos as well as the videos, and automatically saving photos and videos from the Telegram will be stopped. And guys, this was from the mobile data. You can do it for the Wi-Fi as well. You can see I had turned it off for the photos and videos from the Wi-Fi as well. In your case, it will be turned on like this. In order to stop it, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the photos and videos, similar for the roaming, or you can just customize from which service you want to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram from your device And with that being said guys, after customizing all of this, you will have stopped automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram. And guys, this is how to stop automatically saving photos and videos on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.